resident small piece sa'yo in-ang offices and these are small piece, no? You have to keep your workspace. Then you have to report early. And then you have to do the chanto When sa nag-start na diretso sa inyo, you really have to start from there. Dapat magyan ng alin sa daming pag-aas. Hindi mo sabihin na hinggan mo or establish mo, hindi ka mo ma-meeting. You really have to do it. That's your training. Mag-dust mo sa mga cabinet, mag-dust sa mga chairs. Do it religiously. Mag-map sa floor. That's normal. Kasi kami gano'n hindi na nagawa. Hindi ko kami. Kapag iyan janitor, hindi na tuloy ba yung office? Okay, basta sa office na ako then, alright, this one you have to do the office. When you janitorial job. When you enter and then in the afternoon, you have to do it again. Again, you have to dust, you have to sweep the floor, you have to throw the garbage outside. Ako pinag-importante, tandaan na. Kaya kung kaya sa mga mo, pag practice namin na gaway, gawin mo na. Hindi ka ba lumalimpi? Ako pinagkadaan nyo, hindi ka lumalimpi sa sunod nyo ay stairs. Hindi ka mag-aral sa table nila kasi kung pagbutan mo ang mga documents kung din. Akwatan nyo lang and then you try to what you want to ma-accomplish. Hindi na pa distract ang mga things sa tasa table. And then if you leave the office, don't leave the office without asking permission from your supervisor. Every time that you go up, you have to ask permission. No, suppose nyo, dapat sabuan na mga nagpapatulang sa kundi. Pero hindi man pwede hindi na magawa ang lisensya pa mga magawa. Ha? Hindi na. Kaya matandaan na sa gusto nyo. Hindi ka lang lisensya magawa pag nagawala ka dito sa kuwa. So that's the important if it's there. That when you work inside the office, you have to observe first. Okay. How about religious places or religions? We have also here the infants. You have to dress modestly and appropriately. Ano ba pinabayo dito sa simbahan? Baganta na, hindi mabayo sa nagagawa ang tanan. You know what? There are also religious places that they do not accept ladies wearing pants. May alam na. Di ba may alam na hindi ang mga babae hindi pwede na pagkakas. You have to observe. Kung ako na kita observe nila, you have to follow. Then, when you enter and say, except for enter file, if possible, you should not be late for the service. Do not be late for the service. Sa Katoliko, alam na siya. Kung pwede lang, ibigay ko kayo, pinagdakon niya ito niya. Okay? Arrive on time and participates respectfully in prayers or ceremonies. Do not use your phone for calls or entertainment. Pakita ba yakang sa parit? Here the possible. Nga nagawali ito na cellphone. Kapag alam kayo. Show respect to religious leaders and elders. Do not eat, drink, or sugar inside the place of worship. Mga bata po, kayo siya magkaon. Pero ako, hindi ka pwede man sige pa ang pag-usap-usap